Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant acorns in the UK. First, let's talk about collecting them. Gather acorns from strong, healthy oak trees, ideally those that have dropped naturally. Inspect them carefully, discarding any with holes or signs of disease. It's a good idea to collect about 20% more than you intend to plant, as some may not be viable. Once collected, prepare your acorns for planting. A simple float test helps identify viable ones, discard any that float. Store the good acorns in a cool, dark place, like a refrigerator, for several weeks. This process, called stratification, mimics winter conditions and encourages germination. Ensure they remain slightly moist throughout this period. Now, it's time to plant your prepared acorns. You can plant them directly into the ground or start them in pots. Bury each acorn about 2 to 3 inches deep, ensuring the pointed end faces downwards. Select a spot with good drainage and some shelter from strong winds. Remember to protect your emerging seedlings from hungry wildlife. After planting, consistent care is crucial for your young oak trees. Water them regularly, particularly during dry spells, but avoid overwatering. Protect the delicate seedlings from harsh frost and intense sunlight. If you started them in pots, transplant them to their final location once they are strong and well established. Keep an eye out for any signs of disease or pests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.